Let's start reading, Hafsa. Read with me. Ya fataha ya.
Ya fataha ya.
Look at the screen. You have to look at the screen properly. Next one. Sheen hamza fataha. What it becomes?
Sha.
Alright, connect them. What it becomes together, Hafsa?
Shin Yasha.
Very good. One more time. What it becomes together?
Yasha.
Very good. Wonderful. MashaAllah. Next one, Hafsa. Look at the screen and read by yourself. Which letter is this? The first one?
Noon fataha na.
Very good. Next.
Shin hamza fataha sha. Nasha.
Alright, wait. Noon has a fatha on the top. You can't strike the letters that are having a fatha, kasra, or dhamma. So noon fatha is.
Nasha.
Why are you jerking it? You can't jerk it as well.
Nasha.
Alright, read it louder by yourself.
Nasha.
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 Very good. Read it one more time again.
Nasha.
Alright, what was the previous one?
Yasha. Nasha.
Yes, wonderful. They are similar. Oh, the difference between them is the first letter. Yes, yes. All right, Hafsa. Now tell me the first kalima. What is the first kalima?
No.
Not Allah. It starts with La.
La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Now you need to say
La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Alright.
You're saying too loud.
Yes. Okay. MashaAllah, you did really well today. I will see you tomorrow, inshallah. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.
This is the Allah Hafiz. This is the living.
Alright. Okay. Bye bye.